forest and air, with all the biological lives in the surrounding, are most crucial elements that balance the ecosystem. Oxygen for humans to breathe is supplied by green, healthy forests. To maintain optimized function of the forests and environment, PT Newmont Nusa Tenggara carries out environmental analysis and management in line with the principles of protecting and preserving the environment that supports sustainable development. Comprehensive, regular water monitoring program as directed by the Environmental Impact Assessment or AMDAL is reported quarterly to the Government of Indonesia. Furthermore, the monitoring of deep-sea tailing placement and management of submarine life around the tailing outfall are performed extensively to ensure the implementation of the system runs as designed. PT-NNT's corporate social responsibility programs focus on the development of human resources and utilization of natural resources. It is in line with the Sustainable Development Plan and is realized through local economic and business development, education, health, and infrastructure development. Food and beverage production from aloe vera and seaweed farming for cosmetics industry are among achievements of PT-NNT's efforts in developing local businesses. The seaweed farming has become the main livelihood for around 600 farmers in Kertasari village. Besides, support is given for improvement of public education from elementary to high school levels. Malaria used to be one of the biggest causes of death in the villages around the Batu Hijau mine. With increased public awareness on hygiene, as supported by regular inspections as preventive measures, malaria cases have dropped drastically from 26.04% in 1999 to 0.5% in 2011. Agriculture economic development through the construction of dams and SRI paddy cultivation has pushed rice production by threefold, and the planting season has tripled for villages around the mine. Safety first is our foundation in operating Batu Hijau mine. The open pit, which has been operating since 2000, is a porphyry copper mineral deposit containing copper, gold and silver, with an estimated mining period of over 20 years. At Batu Hijau, every ton of ore we process produces an average of 4.87 kilogram of copper and 0.37 gram of gold. We begin the operation by hauling rocks containing mineral ore to the crusher to be crushed, followed by milling and grinding at the mill plant to turn the rocks into slurry. The concentrate separation applies a physical process called flotation, and no chemical is used. The concentrate is then delivered to Benete port for shipment to different smelters at home and abroad. The whole process is conducted under strict supervision as required by applicable laws and regulations. Having received various government awards for above-standard performance, particularly the 6th Green Proper Award from the Ministry of Environment for Environmental Protection and Corporate Social Responsibility Programs, we are committed to running our mining operations responsibly and demonstrating leadership in safety, stewardship of the environment, and social responsibility. Because we care.